Hey, do you have a to-do list that just keeps on growing and you just threw it out, threw it out because it's becoming overwhelming because you don't know what to do first, what to do second, or what to do third? I mean, right now you're just stressed out and you're like, oh my goodness, I thought this to-do list was gonna work. Listen, this video is for you because today we're going to talk about how to create a simple planning routine to get things done. Hello, my name is Jackie. I want to welcome you all to my channel. My channel is all about taking your life and your business back. So class is in session. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a life and business coach. What I do is I help individuals just like you. I help you take your life and your business back by helping you get organized, helping you get trained, and helping you create multiple scalable income streams. Today, like I said, we're talking about how to create a planning routine to get things done. More specifically, I'm going to be talking to you about the 1-3-5 rule. And one of the reasons why we're going to talk about how to create this simple plan and why this is so simple. So today I had a follower of mine ask a question because she's been creating a to-do list, right? She follows me, so she know I'm into planning, right? She's been creating a to-do list, but her to-do list has become overwhelming. Okay, it's because it keeps getting bigger and bigger, and so she's gotten confused, right? And so a lot of times we can get overwhelmed and stressed out trying to plan and trying to be productive because we have big goals. You don't stop creating a to-do list and you don't stop creating goals. Here's what you do. First, I want to tell you what the to-do list is, right? A to-do list is basically a rule that helps keep you organized and it helps keep you from being stressed out while you're doing your planning, right? So the thing you with this, you want to continue to write down your to-do list. First, you write your to-do list, everything that you want to get done in the week, right? And you're like, okay, check, I've already done that. So one of the reasons why you want to continue writing things down is because statistics show that you're 39% more productive when you write what you have to do down. Okay, so we want to be more productive. That's why you watch this video. So you want to start with writing your to-do list. So you've already got your to-do list, check. The next step is, which is what the 1-3-5 rule is, you're going to pick 9 things on your list. Okay, so you said, okay, well, I got over 9 things on my list. So you want to go through your list. This is what you want to do. You want to go through your list and you want to rate everything that's on your list. You're going to put 1 for the things you have to, that are top priority, you have to get done this week. Okay, you want to list a 3 for the things that are minimum priority. You feel like you should do them this week, but they're not major. They don't have to be done. Like they're not part of your consistency plan with your followers, with your customers, with your work, or whatever your responsibilities are. But they do hold a place in everything that you have to do, right? You want to assign them a number 3. Then the other things that you can just do, you put on a list. You don't have to do today. You don't have to do tomorrow. You don't even have to do it next within this week if you don't want to. Those are small tasks. That's number 5. Okay, so you've categorized everything by 1, 3, and 5. And if you didn't know, 1, 3, and 5 equals 9. Okay, that's for the 9 items. So you want to pick one big thing each day, 3 medium things each day, and 5 small tasks that you can quickly do or that are easy to do to get done that day. So you're on it. Your goal is to only accomplish 9 things on that list. And that is the 1-3-1-3-5 rule. And that's how you create a simple planning routine to get things done. Because after you've already picked out your 9 things from the list that you put categories in, you simply use that list and mark things off as you get them done. And that's planning made simple. Listen, if you haven't subscribed to me, you want to subscribe, because in the next videos, what I'm going to do is break it down even more on planning for your home to get more productive, planning at home, and being more productive planning at work. And then finally, I'm going to be talking about how to be more productive when building your business, okay? Because I'm all about taking your life and your business back. So you want to make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post my next video. Before I leave you all, I'm going to put down on a video for you to watch next, and make sure you join my productivity challenge. Okay, in my productivity challenge, you're going to be learning 3 things: how to stay motivated so that you can be more productive. You're going to learn more about planning. And then finally, you're going to learn about some productivity hacks that you may not have thought about. So join my productivity challenge. It'll be in the description and in the comments below. And until we see each other again, make sure you subscribe, okay? And watch the next video.